Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 303, Liquid Editable Tag. If you're poking around some of the out-of-the-box web templates, like the header or page copy, or in the Microsoft documentation, you might come across the editable liquid tag. In this tip, we'll look at what this special tag is used for. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The editable tag goes back a long way. It was originally introduced to support the front-side editing capabilities of the product. This is all the various edit buttons that pop up when you are logged into the Power Pages site as an administrator. Front-side editing has been deprecated, so I'm not going to go into too much detail on that. However, the tag is also used by the Power Pages Design Studio. The tag is basically how developers of web templates can indicate to the Design Studio where content should be editable. The prime example is the page copy web template. You'll see that the copy field is added to the page using the editable tag. This is how the Design Studio knows where to put content. The editable tag also works with content snippets. You can see that in the footer. You are able to edit the content snippet that exists within the footer web template. The documentation mentions that the editable tag also supports web links, but as far as I know, that hasn't been implemented yet in the Design Studio. The only support for editing web links that I'm aware of, besides in the Management app, is in the legacy front-side editor. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 303 on Liquid Editable Tag useful.